everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna do an eyeshadow look. I'll be using the Anastasia eyeshadow palette. Look at these beautiful colors. I am so excited to use this palette. This was actually gifted to me by a really good friend, Wendy. If you're watching this, girl, thank you so much for this palette. I really loved it. And I'll be using my shadow shields just so my makeup won't get ruined with the eyeshadow fallout. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Yeah.
Alright everyone, this concludes my look. Honestly, I didn't even know what I was gonna come up with, but this is what I came up with. I hope you guys liked it. I don't even know what to call this honestly, but this pigment right here, the one that I used right here, it's so pretty. All of my social media will be linked down below, as well as this palette. Eyelashes are from Huda Beauty, Samantha. Honestly, I've been using these a lot lately and they're so pretty. They're just like a dramatic wispy in a way, you know? So yeah, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.